In this segment, I will be discussing few important methods of preparation of carboxylic acids. First one is from primary alcohols and aldehydes. Primary alcohols, they are readily oxidized to carboxylic acids with common oxidizing agents such as potassium permanganate in acidic, alkaline and neutral media, or by potassium dichromate and chromium trioxide in acidic media. So primary alcohol getting oxidized to carboxylic acid. Decanol in presence of CrO3 and H2SO4 gets oxidized to decanoic acid. Second method is from alkyl benzene. Aromatic carboxylic acids. Aromatic carboxylic acids, they can be prepared by the vigorous oxidation of alkyl benzenes. Alkyl benzenes with chromic acid or acidic or alkaline potassium permanganate. The entire side chain is oxidized to the carboxyl group irrespective of the length of the chain. Here it is methyl, here it is ethyl. Irrespective of the length of the chain, here we are having the intermediate as C6H5COOK, C6H5COOK, which on hydrolysis gives carboxylic acid, that is benzoic acid. Aromatic carboxylic acid, which is nothing but benzoic acid. Here in this primary and secondary alkyl groups, they are oxidized in this manner, while tertiary group is not affected. Suitably substituted alkenes, they are also oxidized to carboxylic acids with these oxidizing agents. Next method is from nitriles and amides. Nitriles, they are hydrolyzed to amides and then to acids in presence of acidic or basic medium as catalyst. Mild reaction conditions, they are used to stop the reaction at amide stage. Here this is the general reaction. In this reaction we are having ethanamide. Ethanamide on hydrolysis gives ethanoic acid. Benzamide on hydrolysis gives benzoic acid. These reactions are useful for conversions. While doing conversions, if we connect all these things, it will be easier. Next one is from Grignard reagents. Grignard reagents, they will react with carbon dioxide to form salts of carboxylic acids, which in turn gets converted into corresponding carboxylic acid after acidification with mineral acids. We know that Grignard reagents and nitriles, they are prepared from alkyl halides. That is, they can be prepared from alkyl halides. And these methods, they are useful for converting alkyl halides into the corresponding carboxylic acid having one carbon atom more than that present in alkyl halides. Having one carbon atom more than that present in alkyl halides. Next one is from acyl halides and anhydrides. Acid chlorides, when hydrolyzed with water, they give carboxylic acids, or more readily hydrolyzed with aqueous base to give carboxylate ions, which on acidification gives the corresponding carboxylic acid. Anhydride, on the other hand, they are hydrolyzed to corresponding carboxylic acids with water. Here we are having the general equation RCOCl on hydrolysis gives the carboxylic acid. With base it gives the carboxylate ion, which on hydrolysis gives the corresponding carboxylic acid. Anhydride on hydrolysis gives the corresponding acid. Benzoic anhydride gives benzoic acid. This is benzoic ethanoic anhydride. This on hydrolysis gives benzoic acid and ethanoic acid. The last method which we are having here is esters. Esters, acid hydrolysis of esters directly give carboxylic acid, while basic hydrolysis gives carboxylates, which on acidification gives the corresponding carboxylic acid. Ethyl benzoate on hydrolysis gives benzoic acid and then ethanol. Next one is ethyl butanoate. Ethyl butanoate with NaOH. Here we can have NaOH. NaOH gives CH3, CH2, CH2, COO, Na, which on hydrolysis gives butanoic acid. The sodium salt of the carboxylic acid on hydrolysis gives the corresponding carboxylic acid which is nothing but butanoic acid and then ethanol.